Hello everyone, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show how you can play music on Zoom. So to begin with, join a meeting in question, then at this little bottom toolbar tap on the share icon, then go for the screen option over here at this little pop-up window. I've accidentally tapped the wrong thing, so screen. Make sure that you know how to share the screen. We have a whole separate video on it, so we will not dive deep into the details. If you have any difficulties, check the video out. So after you have started to share the screen, just make sure that in this little option window the share audio is enabled, like so. And now any audio that you will play or listen to, it will be shared and played to other meeting participants as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.